Hi, this is Bench Lady. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert PDF to Word document. The steps I'm going to show you are very easy and all are free. No software needed. So the PDF that I chose has colors in the background and pictures. First, you have to pull up your browser and search for PDF to Word. Look for smallpdf.com. Click the link, and on this page, click Choose File, and then From Device. On my end, the PDF that I want to convert is on my PC's folder. So I just have to look for the file. This is the PDF, the sample PDF that I want to convert. Once the file is located, you just have to click on Open. There. It will then be uploaded to the site, and the time that it will take to successfully upload your file depends on its size. So we just have to wait. When it's finished, click on Convert to Word. After that, click on Choose Option, and then the files will be converted from PDF to Word. There, it's done. So this is our file. Tips on how to lose weight. This was previously a PDF, and now it's under Word document. So on the right side of your file, click on the download link. There, so it's done. You just have to open the file. This page, as you can see, it has already been converted to Word file. On the upper portion, just click on Enable Editing, and there. Now this is actually the exact same format as on the PDF. So PDF or smallpdf.com will convert your file exactly as it is on the PDF. So nothing will change. Even the background colors, the pictures, the fonts, everything will be converted to Word, page by page. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. So till next time, goodbye. Audio.